Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my junk journal embellishment challenge number 44, and the prompt is butterfly, and I'm going to make a paper clip. Yeah, paper clip. I have a paper clip. Here I have a little paper clip. I have big ones. I have lots of paper clips. One moment. I will get them. Here I have all kinds of paper clips. Big ones, little ones, colors, well, whatever. And with little labels on it. Well, but I can use this one too. It's going to be something easy. I think I'm going to use this one. It's from tissue paper. Maybe I glue it on something with something like this. This is a fussy cut one. I don't do often things with prints or digital prints. Mostly I fussy cut and, well, something like that. Or I could use a stamp with a butterfly on it. Come on. Something like this. This as a background. I'm not sure. Well, I will see. I have to have some kind of background. Paperish, maybe it's just tea-dyed paper. I didn't think about it yet. Here I have another butterfly. Well, I have enough. I will choose some things to make the paperclip with, and I will speed up the video. And I hope you enjoy watching.